You see, there's a syndicate that it really caused a lot of trouble. But then we had to sit down and strategize. We have been having this problem for quite a long time, but no real progress in terms of catching the thieves and putting the issue under control until we devised a new response mechanism where we also had to bring in lawyers to help us push issues, in the courts. And we also got a lot of assistance from the Utasa ZRP. These guys are doing very well, even the CIDs. So we had to get the poachers in October. They spent 3 months in remand, and I think last week.
Last week,
Yes, yes, they were then sentenced to 12 months imprisonment. Someone showed, and also, yes, with some months being suspended, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Effectively, they are saving 280 community service
yeah,
each. Hours, 280 hours community service each.
yeah.
Given the fact that they were denying in the courts, and that caused a long period of remand prison. So that was taken into consideration at judgment time, coupled by the fact that when they are finally arrested, all what they stolen was recovered.
Yeah. So basically, what I want is for the community to know that the poachers were finally caught and they're in serious trouble. And whoever might be planning to do the same thing, I know they could be other active, could be poachers. They need to know that Wattle Company is declaring war on whoever wants to continue with this. We are losing quite a lot. The timber industry at the moment is experiencing resource shortages to the extent that we have to downscale, a lot of our operations because the resource base can no longer support, high activity levels. So given that, we are then focusing on making sure that our operations are efficient to actually get the most out of the little resource we have. So to have some people coming in and stealing, we will not allow that. Yeah, we will not allow that. So at the end of the day, if you are to then put the figures together to say what you get from your processes and what you could have realized, we're actually losing hundreds of thousands of US dollars annually due to timber poaching. So we are, however, happy with the support we are getting from ZRP, CID, Mutasa as well, and the cops. I think the direction things have taken, I think, is quite encouraging. And if these things continue, I'm quite sure that there is somehow awareness and mechanisms to then close in on such